Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can export data on ClickUp. So we are going to give you a quick tutorial on it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here we have so much data, so I just want to export it. How I can do it? I just need to go over that place in the profile icon. Just click over here. Once I click over here, then I just need to go to the setting options. Once I check this setting option, then I will find out the interface something like this. So here in all workshop options, underneath the workshop, we will find out the options called import and export. Here you just need to click over here. From that place, you just need to click over here to the start export. Once you click over here start export, here your export is ready. You just need to download this export. Once you click over here to download export, it already been downloaded. So you just need to open it, and eventually you will get the result over here that your task name all are able here. Then your task contents you are allowed to show it. So in this way you can easily download your export file over that place, and this way you can download or you can make your export data through ClickUp. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with another topic. Again, thanks for watching.